It was the first week of May, and the students of Green Hill School were very excited. Every year the school organized a festival, and this time it was bigger than ever. The festival would have music, food, games, and even a small theater play. Everyone in the school had to help. Anna was part of the music group. She loved playing the guitar, and she practiced every evening after school. Her best friend, Leo, was in charge of the food stall. He and his classmates were preparing sandwiches, cakes, and drinks to sell. Another friend, Sophie, was helping with decorations. She painted colorful posters and hung balloons around the schoolyard. On Saturday morning, the school was full of people. Parents, students, and teachers all came to enjoy the festival. The sun was shining and the air was warm. Children ran around laughing, while adults visited the stalls. At 11 o'clock, the music performance began. Anna and her group played 3 songs. At first she felt nervous, but when she saw her parents smiling in the crowd, she became confident. Everyone clapped and cheered loudly. After the music, Leo's food stall became very popular. People loved the sandwiches and cakes. Some parents even asked for the recipe. Leo felt proud and happy. In the afternoon, the theater group presented their play. It was a short comedy about school life. The audience laughed many times, and the actors felt successful. Sophie's decorations made the stage look beautiful. When the sun began to set, the festival slowly ended. The students were tired but satisfied. They had worked hard, and now they could see the results. As Anna walked home with her friends, she said, "This was the best festival ever." Leo nodded. "Yes, and next year it will be even better." The school festival was not only fun, but it also brought students, teachers, and families together. For Anna, Leo, and Sophie, it was a memory they would always keep.